How you feeling today? Feeling good? Feeling good? Where my eyes at? Feeling good? Feeling good? All right. So today, we want to talk about wellness. All right. So this is for the wellness coaches. This is for the wellness enthusiasts who like to have an app to be able to demonstrate some procedures on how to get well, growth, and overall health and wellness. Okay. All right. So some of the things that you can share through an app will be always keeping your clients engaged, keeping your customers engaged, keeping your fans engaged on the information that you bring out to them. Um, you can grow. Give me a minute. Yeah. So you can make it easy for the users to follow like procedures through the app, right? So you can be able to grow, show them what to do, like step by step. You can guide them to relieve some stress for meditation guidance, health habits, get them to get more healthy habits. And you can also integrate a journal within the app to help them to exercise their health, mental health, right? So mental health exercises. So, and there's a bunch of things. The biggest one is usually the connection piece. Some people need a place where they can go get information. And if you're a wellness coach and you have this kind of source, this kind of place, and they can easily access it through their phone, then you'll be the go-to wellness coach. All right, and you can also build charts and things in there to connect with you. All right, so first things first, as you know, DIYapps.ca platform will be able to help you achieve this, develop an app that will help your business grow and serve your clients the best way possible. So the first thing, go is click on get started. So we do have a wellness section. So you can pick whichever template that you like to start off with, or you can start from scratch. But you can always change them after. So being able to spread wellness, being keep track of daily habits. You can have a logbook where people can be able to log what they are doing. You can have meditation music. You can have tips to help people with meditation. You can have articles, so if you do blogs and things like that. You can offer one-on-one sessions, so they can connect with you. We can also do like an in-app purchase or in-app chat through the chat session. You can demonstrate your team. You can have recipes, so you can have another section for recipes, food that people can eat that can help them with their well-being. As I mentioned, you can do group chats where people can chat. So you see like meditation, nutrition, relaxation. So you can join any group and any chat that will kind of fit the person's what they want. All right. So once you are ready to go, you just click on the start template. Put your app name, industry. We do select health, self and wellness, delivery business, e-commerce, training, financial, food, environment, human, kids, that medical and health care. Let's pick that one and then put your last name, first name, website, email, password. You agree to the terms and then you click on get started. Once you click on get started, this is where the first page, which is the app dashboard, that will take to you. It will take you to. So for the app dashboard, as you can see, it has a lot of information, but don't get overwhelmed. So it's just nicely set up. You have your menus here for building the app, different sections. We have tutorials. You can be able to go through to the tutorials and things like that for the plugins, for the platform itself, and also some product updates. And here you can see as you build your app, you'll be able to see on the side here. Um, we do have the learn more button. So when you click on learn more, you can be able to see what information we have here. Great information if you want to build an app. So we'll see. Let's see if we have the wellness. We don't have the wellness here, but let's pick something close to it. Mm, Not church. I think sports app because you have. Anyways, yeah. So it just gives you an idea. I just wanted to show you where the knowledge base is. If you would like to upgrade, so before publishing the app, you need to upgrade. Pick one of the plans that we have, and then pick one of the plans, upgrade, and then you're able to publish your app. And it also guides you step by step what you need and all those things. Um, the other piece I would like to share is if you want to go back to the website, just click on that. The preview. So the preview button, I really I love this. So whenever you have a client or you have your partner you're building the app with, and they just want to see the process, you can just put the phone number, it will send them the link, and they can be able to view the app on their phone. The other piece would be the language piece. Sometimes you might have people, um, English is not their first language, so this will change. It won't change the app language. It will only change the platform itself, so that as they build, they can be able to see. They can also read in their language and build their app. So I just wanted to share that. All right, so I think I've touched pretty much the first app dashboard. So this is pretty much same thing. This question mark will take you to the LAN. The it will take you to our knowledge base. All right, so home screen. So this is the first screen that people will go to when they open your app, and that will be this one. You see, like they have your daily journal, work motivation, daily 30-day challenge, and things like that. And you can always change this. So wellness can say wellness DIY app, right? You can always change that. Easy, nice, still looks pretty, pretty looks nice. Change it to whatever you want. Um, you can add some of these buttons here. So these buttons here are added by through insert. You can insert the layout. It will change that. It will change your. You can always change the text here. Um, so I wanted to show you that. So this is the app on the side menu. All right. So you see the menu up here. This will be the same for all the features, all the plugins. So plugins features is the same thing, just use it interchangeably. So all this menu up here will be the same. Some plugins will have one or two different menus, just depending on how advanced the feature is, the plugin is. So content, I just already gone through that. This section you can add it through your action, and so much stuff you can do here. If you want to push notification sent out when they access that portion, if you want the email, if you want the map, like you can do a lot of things there. And then the design, so this is the background. As you can see, the background is nice. So this is where you add your background. If you want to change your layout, oh sorry, I'm sorry. So you want to change your layout. So right now we are using this layout 9. So you can always change your layout to whichever layout that you want. The security, um, different people will require a login to access different screens. So if you require a login, then people will have to log in. So this is why you set it up. All screens have the same security menu, and you can also use tags. So depending, not only can they log in, but you can say specific people with a specific user tag can be able to access that screen. For tagging, this is every screen you can be able to tag a screen, and then in the future it can help you to segment people who have visited different parts of the app. Purchasing, this is the in-app purchase, and then analytics to just let you know the stats of people accessing the particular screen. So app components, your features. So my features will be the features that I've downloaded from the marketplace. I'm using it in my app, and then you have to use it, put it in the app so people can access it. So as you can see, there are a bunch of plugins, features that we are using right now that can help. That pretty much brings the app to brings the app alive, kind of thing. And then you have the marketplace. So the marketplace. So this is where you can go and grab any feature plugin that you would like to use. And then we have the side menu. So the side menu here, as you can see, you can always add to it from existing features, or you can add a new one. And this is pretty much, if you don't have a lot of stuff on your main screen, your home screen, that you like to move to the side menu, you can always do that. Gives you kind of a balance of how many buttons you have on the home screen, and just move them on the side menu. People can still access that, no problem. Nav bar, this will be the bottom part. So right now it's turned off. So I'm gonna turn it on. So this will be the bottom part here. All right, so turn that off. And then we have the intro screens. So intro screens, so as before people access your screen, access your app, you can have intro screens. These intro screens will kind of let them know what to look forward to as they go into your app, right? So just letting them know, and guiding them through um, before going to your app. Your design, this will be pretty much your Apple and iOS. They have different icons, so this way you can change that. You can change your loading screens. You can change your text for the app. You can change also your font colors. This will help make sure that the app itself matches your brand. This is where you change all that. And then media and library, all the images for your app. This is where they all reside. Login screen. So login screen is a login screen. This is at the settings. If you wanna enable app signing, Apple signing, Facebook signing, Twitter signing, or X or Google, this is where you turn it on and off. Customized registration. Let's say you have a certain data point that you like to collect when people are registering. So this is where you set it up. And then when people are registering, they can answer a bunch of questions, so that can give you an idea of your app users. Yeah, language just changes the language of the buttons and things like that. And then terms conditions are just terms and conditions. Can always change that. Purchases, so you can do in-app purchasing, and also you can do your credit system depending on how you wanna set it up. But this is mostly used by retail. Notifications. So this is my best and allowed notifications. You can do push notifications as groups. Remember those user tags I was talking about. You can schedule them. You can set up geofence notifications, and also analytics will be how many devices got the notification, how many people opened it, and how many people clicked on the action button if you had an action on the push notification. Users, here you will be able to manage all the users in the app. Users who have registered, so you'll see um, what they have registered on. Either and you can also use their user tags as I talked about. You can manage them here. Admin roles, you can always add admin roles. Getting people to add the admin roles to access your to admin roles to help with your app, admin people. And then user and languages, and then abuse report. If anyone is reported, they all come here and just take action, either you ban them or delete them. Um, Analytics is analytics. So same thing, how many downloads and how many users. So whoever has signed up for the app, in the app. And then advanced. This is where now you get all the advanced information. You kind of like for the publishing information, for the marketing, For the share app shares, like the links you can use. Integrating, you can integrate with other um, platforms, and this is where you can be able to do that. And then overall, you don't really here mostly you might be using the publishing information, the app requests. So those are like push notification, like location, and any other microphones and things like that, camera if you need them. You can turn them on and off there. Whew. All right. So overall, that's pretty much how you build an app. So how you can build your app, your wellness app, from start to finish. No, it's not really that hard. You can always reach out to us at hello at DIYapps.ca, and we can be able to help you and grow your business that way. And when you upgrade, just remember you can use our code DIYapps 100, and you'll be able to get $100 off for your first 6 months. I still have your 21 days, so you can add it up. You can get a couple months free. No, couple days, couple weeks, like 3 weeks or so. All right, so nothing much on my side. I just wanted to come here, uh, share how you can be able to build an app with our platform, DIYapps.ca, and you can be able to build beautiful apps. Reach out to us if you need any help, and we'll be gladly help you. Thank you, and have a good one. Adios.